Hi, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. See here, we need to find the values of x. The given equation, the given expression is 4x squared minus 4ax plus a square minus b square. The given expression is in the form of quadratic equations, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a equal to 4 and b equal to minus 4a and c equals to a square minus b square. Now use quadratic formula and find the values of x. The quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Plug the values, plug a, b, c values into this quadratic formula and find the values of x. So x is equal to minus b value is minus 4a. So minus of minus 4a plus or minus the square root of b square is minus 4a whole square minus 4 into a value is 4 and c value is a square minus b square. Whole divided by 2a. 2 into a value is 4. Now simplify this. Minus of minus 4a becomes plus 4a plus or minus square root of minus 4a square becomes 16a square minus 4 into 4 16, so distribute 16 a square minus b square whole divided by 8. Now distribute minus 16 into a square minus b square. 4a into plus or 4a plus or minus square root of 16a square minus 16a square minus 16 into minus b square becomes plus 16b square whole divided by 8. So here 16a square and 16a square cancels out because 16a square minus 16a square. So x is equal to 4a plus or minus square root of 16b square whole divided by 8. See here, square root of 16 is 4 and square root of b square is b. So we'll get 4a in plus or minus 4b divided by 8. In numerator 4a and 4b, 4 is a common term, so take out 4. So if we take out 4, we'll get a plus or minus b divided by 8. So 4 by 8 becomes 1 by 2. So 4 times of 2 is 8. So x is equal to 1 by 2 into a plus or minus b. Now to find the values of x, split plus or minus. So we'll get two values of x. So the x values are 1 by 2 into a plus b and 1 by 2 into a minus b. So these two values are the x values of the given expression. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.